Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings and choose Apps and Notifications. Then click on Permission Manager. Select one of the options like Location and pick an app. I will go with cameras. I have to click on it and pick one of the options, allow only while using the app or deny. I want to go with allow only while using the app, so I have to click on this option over here and go back. As you can see, now camera gained access to my device location while I'm using it. Sorry, but you can also click on one of your apps, choose all camera permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!